Hey guys, so of course, like always, I did my right hand, so let's go ahead and start doing my left. I'm going to just throw that drill bit on the bag. Oh my gosh, I can't speak English today. And I'm going to start buffing out my nails. Now, I usually do my nails every 2 to 3 weeks, and they last pretty much the length of before I do them over. So you want to buff out all the nails, and this is what's going to help your nails last longer. You have to buff them out to get all of the natural oils out of your nails. This is a really, really important step. If you are new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications so that anytime I upload a video, you're notified. Thumbs up this video and comment down below and share this video with your friends. I do my nails, I do DIY videos, I do fashion videos, hair, makeup, all the 9 yards. Literally a baddie of all trades. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So right now you see me gluing down my nails. And once you're adding that glue, this is the Kiss glue, and I'm using the Kiss curve overlap nails, and this is like a $150 for 20 nails. I wanted to use this one because I like the way the coffin curve looks. So right now I'm just cutting off the sides of that to make that angled look on that square shape. So that's what you see me doing right now. Super easy. You can use any scissors that you want, and once you cut the sides off, you're just going to go in and just start filing them until it's shaped as you desire. I like mine a little bit thinner just because I think it looks better on my nails. But it's up to you. You can leave them wider, thinner. It's really up to you. It's at your discretion on what you think looks better on your hands. Okay, so just gonna add a little bit more filing. I overdo filing. I do, but they have to be perfect. So after that, I'm just going to take this kabuki brush and just brush off all the excess stuff. And that's my base gel. This is all from MAKARTT. All of my products, usually when I do my nails, are MAKARTT products. I only do polygel just because it's easier, simpler, and all of that. Even my LED lamp is MAKARTT. I do like their products. So I'm using the base gel, and then you're going to put this all over your nail. And once you're done, you're going to cure it so that it stays. Everything that you do with polygel, you have to cure it. And it does not dry until you cure it. So this is the natural pink MAKARTT polygel. I thought that this would be really pretty to have a natural pink kind of look. Very simple, but also very elegant and sophisticated in a way. So that is why we're using this color here. So I'm just using alcohol, and you're just going to brush it over the nail. Now, because it doesn't set until you cure it, you can manipulate this until before you put it in the lamp, basically. So you can move it around, move the polygel around. It will move. It's really sticky, so be careful. And that's why you want to use the alcohol. It helps it to give more slip. They also do sell some MAKARTT slip solution that'll help you as well if you don't want to just use alcohol. But if you don't want to spend that extra money, alcohol works just fine, you guys. I promise. So I actually did 3 layers on each nail. So this is the first layer that you see me doing right now. And then off camera, I did actually do the second layer, and then you'll see me come back and do the 3rd layer. But that only depends on how thick you want your nails to be. I find that the thicker the nail is, the longer that it lasts. So here you see me coming back now. This is actually the 3rd layer. You can see how thick that is starting to look, and this is when I get satisfied with it because I want my nails to last. I don't want them to break. I don't want them to crack. And honestly, ever since I've been doing my nails, this has actually really proved to work because I've never had a nail that broke, ever. It might come off my nail bed, but I've never had my nail break in half in all this time of me doing my own nails. So the thicker the nail, the less likely it's to break. So you want to make sure everything is smooth. There's no lumps or anything like that. Now, if you see like a little bit of ridges or something like that, just wait a few seconds because it will like settle in. Polygel, it's just so easy to work with, you guys. I promise. It's so easy to work with. It makes doing your nails literally dummy proof. Like just super foolproof nails. I promise. Okay, so I'm going to start finishing the other two nails, and this is how they look. So then we're going to go ahead and cure those. And after I cure that about 3 times, I'm just going to make sure that none of the polygel was on the sides or off of the sides. Usually during this process, I don't have to file off too much, but I do it just in case there is some that is coming down on underneath the nail. This helps me get it, helps me shape it better at the end of the process. So once that's done, all you have to do is just put your top coat on, honestly. I didn't, because there's no designs or anything on these nails went really fast. So I'm just going to dust off the rest of that extra stuff that comes off when you file. And this is what we call the top it off. This is the top coat. And this is literally the last step. Put the top coat on, or it's called top it off. And then you cure it, and then you are all done, you guys. So this is the complete or the final look of the nails. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to join that flower gang by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Bye guys. Mwah.